Hello friends, today in this video tutorial we have seen how you can merge the value from different columns into the single column. We have merged the column named first name, middle name and last name into the single column named names. In this video tutorial, I'm going to merge the data from three columns named first name, middle name and last name, and the value will be stored in the column named names. You can merge more than three columns, just follow the formula. The formula to merge the value from those three columns will be: we start by typing plus or equal, we choose one of those two symbols, and then we have to look for the column identifier and the row identifier. Then because I want to merge the first column, the first column, second row, I'll just type A2 ampersand space ampersand B2 ampersand space ampersand C2. Means I'm going to have space between those three values. Friends, I hope you liked this video tutorial. If you have any question, you can post it in the comment section below. I'll be there to answer. And you can even share this video to your friends, and you can even re-upload it. Friends, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.